That.
Oh yeah.
We caught a seagull.
Here's that in case you need it.
Take it from me. I've been around enough of them.
Yeah, it is.
I've made a sad one laugh and I've made a bad one cry.
You could just think it.
It's on his mouth.
Probably on the fucking tongue. Oh, great. Better take a picture of this hole.
I'm videotaping it! This shit's going on YouTube.
I was gonna say these dudes. I got picked all day.
What am I doing?
We didn't catch it. He caught himself.
Winner. Ain't no winner.
Oh, poor bird.
You want the flyers there, Jake?
Give me one of those towels.
You need a big one or? Nikki's first catch of the day.
He's free.
Like choking me out, man.
It's like, what the fuck just happened to me?
That was some funny shit there.
I was like, all of a sudden I just looked back.
He likes that fucking bird, man.
Yeah, there's some sanitizer right by.
Yeah.
There's some sanitizer right by.